Welcome to the Mixed Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is speaking about LaDonna and also Korra. Now, he's saying that LaDonna came out and was speaking about Korra, and there's some question that he had for his audience, for his followers, basically. He was asking them, what do they think about what LaDonna had to say about Korra, you know, trying to raise that 100,000 US dollars. I'm saying that it was for a court case. Well, there's a lot of controversies surrounding this, so go ahead and catch a video. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and for all, and hit that notification bell as well, so that when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there that are celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and my supporters out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. And remember to live, laugh, love. Always keep that smile on your face. And if you can put one on somebody else's face, that's a bonus. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
Anyway, let's just get on with the show. Let's hear. Let's do it back to front. So LaDonna come out and talk about Korra, and in that same breath, with the whole 100,000 saga, the money saga, LaDonna talked about it, right? I got wind of it, and I want all of you to hear what she says and want to talk on the mind from what she said to. Do you agree? Do you disagree? The choice is yours to me, and that's it. I forgot to turn the Bluetooth on this phone. Let me turn the Bluetooth on this phone. Oh, it's off. Now turn it on this phone. It's on this phone. I forgot it was on this phone. Off. On. All right, let's get into it. So LaDonna spoke about the whole 100,000. I feel like that's missing from my caption. I'ma fix that soon, but not right now. I'ma fix that after. LaDonna spoke about the 100,000 Korra look from social media. Fair, pay liar money. I don't know. I don't know the story, but I got wind of it. So I was like, cool. Let me hear what she said. And more on talking to mind from what LaDonna has to say. LaDonna also posted something about our sister. I'm wanting to hear what the sister said too. The sister name is Nancy Ume. I'm wanting to hear what the two of them said. Let's jump into that one quick and fast.
Alright, so let me just real quick. So
She are going right now, darling.
I want to say maybe an hour ago I posted that I'm not really interested in Korra and Justin because I found them very...
What the hell? Sorry. I tapped something.
The only thing I'm interested in, that I'm not
Let's
really
go from the
interested
beginning.
in Korra and Justin because I found them very, very toxic. The only thing I'm interested in is to find out where Korra got her choker from, because it's a nice choker. By the way.
Pause. I have a question. Do you guys think Korra and Justin are two toxic human beings? I don't know. I'm only asking questions, guys. I honest to God, I'm not telling you, I don't follow their story. I do not. But now I feel like I'm gonna start taking a more keener interest in what's happening between Justin and Korra. I follow them now. I follow the both of them now because I want to be more in tuned with what is happening on that side of the fence. I'm not on a normal steering. I'm always on this side. So now I'm going to start looking into that side as well as other sides too. Let's continue. First question. Do you guys believe Justin and Korra are toxic? LaDonna says they're toxic. So I'm asking you the question. Do you believe that these two now ex to each other, husband and wife, do you believe they are toxic human beings? Drop your thoughts, please and thank you. And don't be afraid to join the conversation. Feel free to join if you choose to. And if you know Justin and Korra, even better. Because at least you people is going to teach me more about what's happening over there and what's not happening over there. Because I don't know. But I'm going to jump in it. Let's continue.
Listen, get ready to drag me in the comment section. You know,
You said get ready for drag her in our comments. So don't get ready for drag her in our comments if you're not for drag her.
Like me, and I'm fine with that. Let me tell you something. I find Korra very manipulative. I find her very unconscionable. Don't get me wrong. She's going through something and it hurts and my heart breaks for her. Yeah? But the fact of the matter is, Korra uses certain situations to her advantage.
Pause! Do you believe Korra is manipulative? And do you also believe, based on what Michelle is saying, do you believe Korra uses situations to her advantage? Basically, what I'm getting from Michelle is that Korra realized she has people eating out of her palm. I can remember not so long ago, there was someone else out here who had a lot of people eating out of her hands. So do you believe Korra is using situations at her advantage and also manipulating people along the way? That's my second question. Drop your thoughts in the comments. People, feel free to join the conversation. Listen, I'm trying other things and I want to be very respectful too. I believe this whole toxicity stuff, it can only carry so far, right? So sometimes it's a good thing to revamp yourself, rejuvenate yourself. That is what I'm trying to do right now. I'm trying my best to rejuvenate my platform. When I realize I'm take out Mixup, I just say trending conversations. I take out Mixup auto my bio and just keep trending conversations. I did that for a reason because I feel like it's full time. I maybe trying to revamp my page and go in a different direction. Maybe something similar to what Michelle is doing, but instead of posting videos, I do them on my live streams. So feel free to join the conversation. Let's continue. But however, do you believe Korra is manipulative, and do you also believe she uses situations to her advantage because she knows people in social media she have a lot of people eating out of her palm? Do you believe this to be true? I don't. I'm only asking. And if you people know much about Korra, maybe you can also help me to educate me on who Korra is, what Korra is about, because I don't know. This is new territory for me. Right? Let's continue.
I find her very unconscionable. Don't get me wrong. She's going through something and it hurts and my heart breaks for her. Yeah? But the fact of the matter is, Korra uses certain situations to her advantage. That's a fact. And she said it herself. She uses certain situations to her advantage. Yeah? Is that a good thing? In certain cases, yes. But in certain cases, no.
Pause. I have another question. Now Michelle has said this, right? It brings me back to not so long ago. She was in London, right? And she claimed she was attacked with ACID, right? Do you believe or do you think she used that scenario to her advantage? That's another question. I don't know. Me only ask questions. I'm only asking questions. I don't want to drag me. Please don't drag me. We can have a respectful conversation. If you don't drag me, please don't drag me. Let's just have a respectful conversation, right? But do you believe she used London as a situation to manipulate people? Based on what Michelle is saying, I'm only asking questions. Let's continue again.
This case, what you're doing, Korra, advantage, yeah? Is that a good thing? In certain cases, yes. But in certain cases, no. You see, in this case, what you're doing, Korra, you made a GoFundMe for 100,000 US dollars. For what? For what? I want you to explain to me. What is it that you're going through that you need the public to raise $100,000 US? You haven't lost your kids. Your kids, they're still living with you in your household. They're still with you. You haven't lost them to say, okay, yeah, you know, you've lost them to Justin and now you need to fight. No, you just want to fight so that you can have your rights to have them on social media. That's all it is. And me personally, I get you're a content creator. But before you, listen, you weren't allowed to have the kids on social media. And you were still making content. You were still earning very well. You earn more than 3/4 of us on social media, on Facebook. Your videos, they do so well, right? Even the attack video that the attack in London, that is at like 7.8 million. The same amount of views, just like your following, right? Followers, you have a 7.8 million followers, and that video alone went to 7.8 or more, or maybe a little bit less, but it's 7 million. Plus your other videos, because you do videos daily, and you're forgetting that we know how it works. And when I come out and I speak about these things, all you people, you know, you come and say, oh, you're bad mind, you're jealous. And no. This is exploitation, and I don't care what nobody wants to say. Not because you can doesn't mean that you should.
Pause. I have another question. Based on what Michelle is saying here, do you think Korra is exploiting her followers? I'm not saying she is. I'm asking questions based on what Michelle is saying. Michelle believes Korra is exploiting her followers. My question to you is, do you believe Korra is exploiting her followers? Hold on, I have to plug in this this thing. It's dying. I should have plugged it in a long time. It's been plugged out for some time now. I need to plug it back in and charge it. I don't want it to die. So, do you believe Korra is manipulating her followers and also exploiting them because she knows she has a lot of them eating out of the middle of her arm, her hand? So, do you believe she's exploiting those people? I don't know. Me, I ask question. I mean, it's not for you Jamaicans. You love to drag people, and bear in mind, I'm only trying my best to have a respectful conversation. I'm not drag Korra, I'm not drag Korra. Jack Michelle, I'm having a respectful dialogue with you. So please don't drag me, please. I'm asking kindly, please do not drag me, right? But do you believe Korra is exploiting her millions of followers? Drop your thoughts. Let's continue with Michelle's argument.
Because you know that the people, they love you, and you know that they're going to send it to you. But this, what you're doing, it's not fair and it's not right. Because, Korra, we know that. I've seen your pay stubs. We've seen it. It's been exposed. And even before then, I knew how much you earned within 1 year. 1 year, I knew how much you earned. And 1 month, you got 89,000. 89,000 in 1 month. So tell me, I know that you've been back and forth, you know, with Justin, right? And you had to, you know, give him some money, you know, a lot of money and stuff like that. But I just want to know, why do you feel the need to come to the public and ask the public for 100,000? Huh? Why?
Pause. Guys, can you please share? Please. I'm asking, please, to share this live. Share, please. I'm begging you. Please share the live if you can. No pressure. Also, please like it too. No pressure again. Do so at your own leisure. Do so if you choose to. But I'm asking you to share it for me and like it for me too, please. Do you believe Korra is exploiting her followers for 100,000? Because Michelle is saying Korra is manipulative. She's very manipulative. So if everything that people are saying about her is true, do you believe in your heart that Korra is manipulating her 8+ million followers? If no, tell me why. If yes, tell me why you say yes, please. And if you can also educate me on who Korra is or what Korra is about, I would appreciate your Yeah, just teach me, because I don't know much. I don't know much. So just teach me if you can, please.
These people, they're going to happily send it to you. And if they just stop and look around them, the amount of people that are around them that need help, and they wouldn't even stretch their hand to give help to those people. But yet still, somebody like Korra is a singer. She's a dancer. Korra is a performer. Korra is an artist. Korra is a content creator. These people, they make a lot of money. And some of you guys, you have family members, they are struggling.
You know, pause. You know, I follow this person on TikTok. I don't know if you guys know someone called Macmillan. I don't know if you know. Do you guys know who Macmillan is? Macmillan is a Nigerian content creator, right? He gets a lot of views. In my opinion, he's just as big as Korra, or getting up there. He said he makes millions on Facebook. So, my question to you is, do you believe Korra is manipulating her followers and exploiting them? That's 2 questions in one. If you say yes, tell me why. If you say no, please also tell me why you say no. Right? And if you guys don't believe me, go and look up on Facebook someone called Macmillan. He's on here. He's a cross-dresser. And he's like them Nigerian. But he lives on this side of the fence over here, sir. But he's a cross-dresser. He dresses like a woman. And his content, he gets a lot of views on his content. And he said on his live stream, I think this was like 3-4 days ago, he said he makes millions from Facebook. So my question is, do you believe Korra's manipulating her followers? And if you say yes, tell me why. If you say just tell me why. Tell me why. If you say no. Let's continue.
Yet still you guys want to come and send Korra 100,000 for what? She hasn't lost her children. Korra, this is not new. A lot of people, unfortunately, whenever they're going through a divorce, it costs them. It is draining. It is stressful, right?
But you know, pause. When I heard about this whole story, I went to Korra's page and I saw Korra posted a judgment from the court that both her and her ex-husband are gonna have custody 50-50. So my question is, if the judge has ruled that both parents will share the children 50% and 50%, what is 100,000 for? What is it for? Because I saw Korra in my own 2 eyes. Me see my own 2 eyes. So she posted the ruling of the judge, and it stated that both Justin and Korra will have 50% time with the children, right? So my question is, what is that 100,000 for? Because the judge has already ruled that both parents will have the children 50% of the time each. So that's equal, right? What is 100,000 for? Help me to understand, please, people. We know it's not fun to watch Korra, so please help me to understand. Let's continue.
It's jarring. It's depressing. But they make it out in the end. They didn't run to social media for any help. They made it out. And yes, you have a platform, you're going to ask for help. But listen, when you know that you can afford it, you know you can afford it. We've seen you afford certain things. We know. And even if you're going to ask for assistance, use your conscience. Use your conscience. You're very unconscionable. Use your conscience.
Do you believe this notion?
I don't like that. I've always said that I find you very, very manipulative. It doesn't mean I don't like you. Right? I like you, I just don't like some of your ways because I see right through you. You understand? And I know people are going to say, oh, you always coming at Korra. Sometimes I come and I say things to give, put people on their P's and Q's to say, listen, if you don't fix up or shape up,